Okay, so what we're going to try and do here is I'm actually going to skip the example in the book because I actually don't think it's a very good example. It ends on a very bad note. It doesn't quite explain it too thoroughly. So I'm going to have a go at doing the first question using the same methodology, and I'm just going to explain it as I go. I'll explain it to begin with, and then we'll just keep coming back to this checklist. So the first question in your textbook is find the stationary points on the curve fx equals x squared minus 3x minus 4 and determine its type or their nature, find the intercepts on the axis and sketch the curve. Okay, that's fine. Now let's break down into our mathematical processes that we need to do in order to solve that. So we need, this is just very helpful to come up with it straight away, is to find the first and second derivative. Look, you don't have to find the second straight away, but it's good just to find both of them, put them in a box at the very beginning and go, okay, that's there and I can refer to it later. And it's just a bit of like a rule. Find the stationary points by making our first derivative equal 0. Don't forget to put the x values back into the original function to find those y values. You're after points, okay? Not just x values, you need to find the x and y values for those so they're points. So they're going to be in some kind of bracket system like that. Use the second derivative to determine their nature, so f double x, using the stationary point x value. So from these points you get the x values and you put them into your second derivative to determine their nature. Then find the point of inflection, so y dash dash equals 0. Also find the y values similar to here. So once you found your x value, determine the type of inflection, which is this. So what type of inflection is it? Find the x and y intercepts, and then finally graph your function. 7 big steps that you need to do. 2 and 4 are very big, okay? But we're going to try and stick to this checklist. If you want to pause the video and write this down, you're more than welcome to, but I'm going to try and jump into it straight away.